So hello guys, this is Linux Walk. In this video I'm going to show you how to update your Microsoft Windows offline without any internet connection. So first you need to download the updates from the Microsoft official website. So I'm not using any crack or nothing else, it's official. I'm downloading the operating system from the Microsoft Windows official website itself. So before that, if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and ring the bell. So now let's see how to update Microsoft Windows offline. So first you need to go to the Microsoft Windows download site. So search for Microsoft SOFT Windows 10 download. So first you can see the first link. Click on this first link and it will redirect to the official site. So you can see that this is the official site. Okay, so now you can see that you cannot download this Windows 10 using your computer, but you can download this using a mobile browser. So first search for the same Microsoft Windows 10 download. So you can see the first Microsoft site and click on the site. Yes, this is official site and I'm not using any cracks here. Now select the edition you need. So you can see this Windows 10 October 2020. So while I'm making this video, this is the latest update that is rolled out. So click on this Windows 10 and click on the confirm button. Now this site will redirect you to select the product language. Here you need to select your language. So I'm selecting English and now click on the confirm. So now you can see the Windows 10 English 32-bit download, 62-bit download. Download your required file. So my PC is 64-bit, so I am downloading the 64-bit. One disclaimer is that the size of the file will be around 5 GB. So now I successfully downloaded the Windows 10 OS to my computer, but I have used a mobile browser. So you should also use a mobile browser to download this file, or if you use your computer, it will ask you to update from the settings page. So don't do that. If you had more internet, so you can high-speed internet, you can update from there, but I had a limited internet. I'm using only mobile internet, so I have downloaded this from. So I'm using only a mobile internet, so I can't update from the settings page and all. So it's very irritating to download from there. You need to extract this file. So click here, right click. So now you need to extract this Windows 10 20H2 file. I have downloaded 64-bit, so download your required file and right click there and click on extract to button. So it will take some time to extract the files, so wait till the file has been extracted. Now the extraction is completed. Open the file and you can see the setup file in the last. So double click that. So it will prompt you for the administration permission. Click yes. So it's now preparing to update my Windows offline. So now click on the next button. So now you can see it's asking for terms and conditions and click on accept button. So it's getting its update from the offline file itself. So now you can see that this setup is getting its update from the offline file itself. So you need to patiently wait for some time. So finally the updates are ready to install. So I have installed Windows 10 Pro. So it's asking me that it is going to install Windows 10 Pro, and it's going to keep the personal files and apps. This is very, very important. If you uncheck this tick mark, it will delete all the files, personal files, including installed apps, everything. So be careful in this.